Neuraltext iMarketing Suite app. The pros, the cons. If your marketing team wants to generate content faster and streamline campaigns, Neuraltext iMarketing Suite might seem like the ultimate solution. But does it really deliver the results enterprises expect? Let's break it down. On the positive side, Neuraltext helps teams create marketing copy, blog posts, social media content, and email drafts quickly. Its standout feature is AI-driven content suggestions based on keywords, search intent, and industry trends, which can save hours of research and drafting. Many enterprises report faster content production, improved team efficiency, and more consistent messaging across channels. Another advantage is integration with popular platforms like WordPress, enabling smooth publishing workflows. However, there are drawbacks. Some users find that AI-generated content can lack nuance, brand voice, or creative flair, requiring manual editing. Pricing for enterprise plans can also be high for large teams. Another limitation is that while Neuraltext accelerates content creation, it doesn't provide strategic guidance. SEO strategy or campaign planning. Human oversight remains essential. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI alone can replace marketing teams. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext works best as an accelerator, not a replacement, combining AI efficiency with human strategy and creativity. In conclusion, Neuraltext iMarketing Suite app is a powerful tool for speeding up content creation, ensuring consistent messaging, and improving productivity. It saves time, integrates with key platforms, and enhances workflow. But to maximize marketing impact, teams need strategy, editing, and creative oversight. For enterprises looking to boost content efficiency without sacrificing quality, Neuraltext can be a game changer.